Hey, I'm bringing you something new that's coming to the table, and it's Opti-Grip. And I want to tell you about what Opti-Grip's all about, Team Matco. The coolest part is I got a big right here. This is actually a star bit right here. And what I want to show you is so you can see the patent design on these tips right here. And when you see the tips, they're actually made a certain way to actually give you 400% more torque on actually a stripped out Torx bit bolt head. And what that does is I'm gonna bring it down here. We're gonna go low profile here. And when I'm gonna go low profile, I'm gonna show you something. So right here we have a star bit right here. Here is your typical normal star bit with its design. It doesn't have the patent where it cuts in. If I put it in, you can see right here where I cannot literally take this out. But you can see how I can take the star bit and it works good, but it's got that loose feel. See how it wiggles? That wiggle there is not tight enough. Well, if I pick up the Opti-Grip with its patent little cut back designs on it right there, and I can put it in, you can feel, look how sturdy that thing is, right? Hardly no move. That's the normal. The other one that didn't spin, that wouldn't come out, look at it. Look how I can turn that out. And as that's so loose, I can still put this in here in the old one and try to turn it out. But if I hold it there and I screw it down, it won't come to tight because you can see it slipping, right? No more torque. Now as I pull that out and put the Opti-Grip in there, uh-oh, look at that. That thing is so dear. Look, it goes in tight. And look, I could tighten the bolt up where the other one let me. So it gives me actually literally 50% more torque on a stripped out bolt than what the standard will actually give you that's available, period. And when you're talking about this, when we're talking about when you get some stuff like this, you get those jobs that you can never finish, or you're on that job that you can't get done where you might have to fix a bolt that you can't replace, but you need to reinstall it. You can reinstall it in short term by using the Opti-Grip. And the only cool part is we're actually talking about their patent hex design. That's not for a star bit. This is a hex design, and this is actually one for the star bit. Available in SAE, which you see the red stripe, or it's also available in metric with the blue stripe on the bottom. What brings me to the next thing, you ever get that bolt head, like the hex head that's stripped out, you rounded that hex head off and you can never get it off? You usually gotta bring out the whiz wheel and actually cut a slot in it, try to make something that you can get in there, big screwdriver, big pry bar, you could actually crack it loose and make it like a screwdriver, impact driver. Well, Opti-Grip's got that covered too. And you can see with their big patent design right here, that's the head of a bolt. So basically what you would do is, you literally will take the socket like so, and wherever the head's the bolt is, you'll put it on there, you will hammer it down onto the head of the bolt where it goes down in there like that. Then you could actually take your normal hex wrench, or you could take a socket that goes on top, turn it off, and also if you need to put it back on, you can use that same tool and tighten it back on until you get a replacement bolt. But the coolest part is, do you know when you actually get the bolt stuck in there? Then it comes with this patented design right here where you can actually press out the bolts right out the head of it, all in one like that.